tip, guys, if your poles to your pool are sinking into the ground at all, or gonna sink in there, like that one, or this one, this is what I did. Okay, I just cut me out some small support pieces. Also notice the curvature. It's like a bridge. Once you put weight right there, it'll flatten it out and give it more strength at an angle like that. So what we did is we just took us an old 55-gallon plastic drum and cut these pieces straight out of it. And originally I was going to use some leftover pieces of laminate flooring or a piece of plywood, but I was concerned that sitting in the water on the ground, I was afraid that this would absorb moisture eventually and would swell up and rot and give away. So I decided to use a barrel out of plastic, and it will never ever last forever. Okay, we just used a little jigsaw, real simple, cuts really fast. So I took one of the legs and laid it out on a template, and this is 6 inches by 9 inches, and we just cut us one out like that, and we just cut it with that saber saw, jigsaw, whatever you want to call it. And then the leading edge that might, if the pool ever's going to hit it, we'll just go around the edge with a bastard file here and shave the edge down a little bit.